everybody, come check out one of Richmond Hill's most exciting communities, Heartwood. This neighborhood is redefining what it means to live, work, and play, all in the community you live in. Heartwood is more than just a neighborhood, it is a lifestyle. Picture this, your own little community, a grocery store, a pharmacy, even a daycare just minutes from where you live. It's like your own little town tucked in the heart of Richmond Hill. So whether you're looking to start fresh, grow your family, or start a new chapter, Heartwood has something for everyone.
I'll point out that this one has a 3-car garage. Off the entryway, we've got a bedroom downstairs with a full bathroom attached. A nice bonus room, office, dining area, lots of things you could use this room for. Lovely family room. Take a look at this kitchen. This passes through to the hallway. Got a little butler's pantry area here. Nice sized pantry. Dining space here. I love that we have 2 sets of sliding glass doors that open up to this screened porch lanai area. This one actually has these doors that open both ways. So you can open up, and you can open it this way or open it all to this side. So you can really open up your living room space depending on how you have the furniture laid out. Beautiful covered porch area here. This one has a pool added on with a pool cage. Noticing there's a door there too. My guess is that probably goes into the primary bedroom. Look at this little sunning area right here in the pool. I would love to just lay there and relax. Here in the primary bedroom. I don't see a door in here, so that door in the porch must have been some pool equipment or a little storage room. I might need to go back out and check that out to make sure I know what it is. Oh, this is a big walk-in closet. And a secondary closet that keeps going on. So down this hallway, we walk in from the master into the laundry room. There's a nice big coat closet in here. And tons of area for storage and folding. Obviously these are added on after the fact, but what a cool idea for drying racks. And just look at this big long countertop for folding. Tankless water heater, that is one thing that I know that they build. Then we're down in the hallway, so this is the entry hall over here, staircase going up. We've got another bedroom on this side. This one with a tile shower. little drop zone area right from the garage. Nice storage under the stairs. I just want to go and plop in the middle of this. Attic. This is the renowned floor plan. All right, this is the Stardom floor plan. It is $2,179 plus square feet, 2 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 4 to up to 4.5 bath. So it could have a lot of upgrades. Cool thing about all these floor plans that they have here is that they're all very expandable and you can customize them to how you want them. Let's take a look inside. We walk in to the left. We have an office. So we've got a beautiful kitchen. That is just completely open to the dining and the family room. This one does have a fireplace added. As well as this also butler's pantry. Nice big closet. Big screen porch here. On this one, they're showing what you could do outside. They have added an outdoor fireplace as well as an outdoor kitchen. Lots of nice storage here in the mudroom. That's right off the garage. Laundry room, plenty of space in this laundry room. They've even got like almost a desk situation going on here. Chairs to fold laundry in here. What a great way to relax while folding laundry. Good size pantry. And I'm going to show you over here to the last 2 bedrooms in this one. This is the Stardom floor plan. This is the Prestige floor plan. Come on in the front door. There is a guest room immediately to the left. This guest room does have a bathroom with a walk-in closet. There's a linen closet tucked away behind the door here. Got a closet in the hallway. Down here we've got a flex room. You could use this for a lot of different things, for an office, craft room, however you would like to use it. Consider it a bedroom because it does have a closet, if that's what you want to use it for. Good sized pantry. All of these kind of things are upgradable, adjustable based on what kind of setup you want with the appliances and the backsplash. Counters, cabinets, all of that. There's lots of options. You enter the screen porch from out here. And this is one of those double doors that are the triple sliding doors. You can enter the screen porch from there, or you can enter from the living room right there. Coming on into the master suite. Large shower again, nice big walk-in shower with a rain shower head. Another closet. And I'm curious what this is. This is a door to the laundry room. From the master closet, you can just dump your dirty laundry right into the laundry room. This is the Paul Mary plan. It starts at 1,858 square feet. Goes up from there. A beautiful big porch with room for a hanging swing. Two-car garage. To the left, we have a bedroom here in the front, which obviously they're not using as a bedroom right now, but this would be a bedroom. Closet. We have a full bathroom. This one has a shower, customizable as to how you want to arrange all the bathrooms, whether you want stand-up showers, bathtubs. Bonus room here in the middle. Used as an office or a craft room. This one is not considered a bedroom as it does not have a closet. Continuing on into the house. It's a very open floor plan. It just turns right into the dining. The living room. And then this one has a little bump out sunroom in it, which I believe is an addition. Walk on out to the back porch, which is covered, easily screened in here if you wanted to screen that in. On to the primary bedroom. So this one has the smaller of the stand-up showers, just to give you a different idea of what the options are. Huge little bonus space here for storage, or you could use it as a workout room or craft room. Lots of different things if you wanted to take advantage of that space. You have a nice big bonus room up here. full bathroom. And we've got another bedroom up here. This one is perfect for the grandkids. You can see they've got it set up with the 2 twin beds. Would be awesome to send grandkids up here, have their own space while they're visiting.
If you're curious about making Heartwood your home, just reach out to us.